Alright, so these are all of the things that I generally use to wash my motorcycle. Real basic stuff. Got the rags, sponges, hose, that kind of thing. A couple of products, but what I found out this last year, 2019, is a company called Muc-Off actually decided to release a pressure washer that is going to be good for both bicycles as well as motorcycles. So I ordered one and I figured, let's see what it's all about. Alright, so got that. Looks like the dry bag. Got a couple of bottles of the cleaning product. So that one is the bike cleaner, and then this is a concentrate. So this is going to be good for 1 liter, and then this actually concentrates down, so this will produce 4 more of these. And then you get the sprayer, and this is the pressure washer itself. So pretty small. Looks like it's going to be some pretty rad packaging. But on top here it says that it is going to be good for mountain bike, road bike, as well as moto bike. Let's see what we've got in here. Got some fittings as well as a couple of pieces that are going to be bolted onto the side of the unit. Here are the wands. So this one says motorcycle, bicycle. This is a Muc-Off wand. So this is the standard power wand, and then this plugs into the handle. Foam dispenser, so this plugs into their wand. Got the handle. Instruction booklet. And there's the unit itself. And a hose. Yep, that's it. They do some really nice packaging there. Alright, so let's see what we got here. $120-volt, 10-amp pressure washer. Alright, so then this plugs in right there, just slides on. Looks like it doesn't have, it's got some spots for some hardware, to screw that in right there. And alright, so we got a filter. That's cool. Got a couple of fittings, look to be the release fittings, the quick release fittings. And then a clip of some sort. This plugs in right here. Good for, there we go. Alright, so that is going to be good for, yeah. It's going to be good for the extension cord here. Got your hardware, so that's what's going to affix this here. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. So you got the lances right here. So this guy is going to plug in just like that, and then you have each one of these lances that is going to plug in on the other end. And the cool part about it is they actually adjust, so you can actually go from a fan to a more pointed stream. So you can kind of dial in where you want to dial in the stream that you want to have. So that's kind of cool. And a quick release, just like that. And you can go between the different lances. Like I said, you've got the standard lance, you've got the motorcycle lance, and then you've got the bicycle lance. So each one of those is going to put out a different level of pressure. So they're saying that the motorcycle is going to be good for all of your seals and bearings that are going to come on a motorcycle, and then obviously the bicycle lance is going to be a little bit more delicate because you have a few more delicate seals and bearings on that. So they always recommend that you don't point directly at your bearings and your axles and that kind of thing, but yeah, kind of cool. Alright, so now let's look at this supplied bag that they give you. So you've got the bottom of it here, and this is full on waterproofed. It is PVC coated, so that might be a bummer to some of you because obviously there's a couple of companies out there that are producing non-PVC coated materials, but this is going to be completely waterproof. It is a roll top, so you're going to be able to put your pressure washer and all of the accessories inside of this bag, cinch it down, roll it down, and then snap it just like that. Got a couple of different options to store your lances and that kind of thing. If things are wet, if you want to throw them on the outside so that they can dry a little bit, leave the bag open until it's completely dry, and then you can either hang it on a wall in the garage, throw it down on the ground or wherever, or if you're going to be one of those people who is out either at the racetrack or whatever, and you just want to get your motorcycle clean, you can do that. But I figured it was pretty rad, worth the money for me, so I'm going to be using it on my motorcycles, I'm going to be using it on my mountain bikes, my road bikes, as well as my car, pretty much anything that you'd use a light duty pressure washer for. So like I said, it was worth it for me. Ultimately, you've got to make that call. It's up to you.